All right, it's Friday, November 7th, just following up on Coinbase. You can see we're getting some nice follow through higher after buying it here at the lower blue line on this 2-up green bar that was forming, anticipating we might get to the highs of the day. We just moved up here. I just scaled out at this middle blue line. Let me delete this one here. So just to set up a no-risk trade, we're trying to get a little bit of a reversal on the day to the upside. So I bought Coinbase here at 289.64. Just scaled out at 293 to set up a no-risk trade. Lowers my break-even stop somewhere to the bottom of this area right here. So if this doesn't follow through higher and comes back, I can do no worse than break-even. Probably won't even let it get that far. I just want to see if we can take out the highs of the day and maybe get a reversal day forming. I'm not necessarily expecting that, but the context here, was pretty good in the sense that it moved up to start the day. The pullback just took to the midway point of the first bar, and I sense some strength coming in. And I also know the market, even though we're lower today, has made its 2 pushes down in the morning. That's kind of my model overall. So, on a Friday today, look, we're still heading lower, there's no doubt. But at any moment, there could be a big green bar reversal, and we'll see how this day ends up. But for now, we've made our 2 pushes down in the morning. Other stocks like Home Depot and some other ones I could show you were acting strong today. And Coinbase, I know, being related to the Bitcoin area, which has been falling, pretty significantly lately, has the potential for a little bit of a bounce in here. So, if this one can get going now, we could see if it can get through the highs of the day and maybe get some kind of strong green up to those pre-market highs. There's a lot of volatility in here. So at least it's at no risk. This kind of price action did, kind of offer immediate follow through up. So that's why I wanted to give it a shot. I'm not positive it's going to, reach the high of the day and go higher, but I know it's certainly possible in this environment on the end of the, the end of the week on a Friday. So all at no risk right now. I can see, what unfolds. To me, it's been a busy morning trading, more so than I usually am involved in. I bought some SPY puts here that worked out well. I bought some Tesla puts that worked out well. Early on, I had a break even on Netflix. I bought it here and it came down to my entry price. I described I broke even. It's moved a little lower. Actually, I think Affirm I traded to, and this is where my scaling out helped me. I bought it here, scaled out at no risk trade, and then had a break even on this one. So, overall, there's some interesting stocks today for a variety of reasons, but overall, a good day. And now I get to see kind of at no risk here. I'm not going to do any more trading on the day. If this one could maybe follow through higher and break through that first bar high and kind of surprise with a reversal day to the upside. Not necessarily expecting it, but given my approach to scale out, that's why it offers me the opportunity at no risk to kind of see what unfolds here. So sometimes look, I scaled out on this SPY trade down here near the lows of the day and it moved a lot lower. So sometimes you give up some gains, but on stocks like this, it certainly protects you, where you scale out and then do no worse than break even. So anyway, I'm scaled out here on Coinbase, and we'll see now just at no risk if it could break through the highs of the day and surprise to the upside. It'll be kind of my final trade of the day, and it would be nice if we get a kind of a daily reversal bar here before it's over after taking out this pivot low, and maybe into next week it might start the resumption of the uptrend, but we'll find that out later into next week. So good follow through on this 15-minute price action here that you kind of expected. Don't necessarily know for sure if it's gonna get to that first target and second target, but we'll find out.